Hello everyone and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. I am back with another job notification, and this time we have with us Coal India Limited, a Government of India undertaking. So I'll be telling you about the vacancies that have been released by Coal India Limited, what are the eligibility criteria, what is the selection process, what is the number of vacancies, all the details you will find in this video, so watch till the end. But before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR 1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded gold medal by President of India himself in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT. Till date, I have trained more than 2 lakh students for GATE and DSE, and currently I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now my dear friends, most of the students know this about me, but what they do not know is that this particular YouTube channel has created a revolution in the field of GATE and DSE education, because we provide the maximum number of free initiative. We make sure that the student community that is associated with us, they get the maximum benefit and they stand ahead in race for any job opportunity or any higher studies opportunity. We don't want our students to be lagging behind other students, and for that purpose in mind, we bring a lot of initiatives for our students. Now my dear friends, if you are coming to this channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, but make sure one more thing, that you download the Unacademy Learning app, because our free initiatives are also available on the Unacademy app. So download the app and then access all the free initiatives just by unlocking them using the code AnkitESE. Without wasting any time, let's move ahead and let's see the job notification. So my friend, CIL is a Schedule A Maharatna public sector undertaking under Ministry of Coal, Government of India. Its corporate headquarters is in Kolkata, okay, and the largest coal producing company in the entire country. So it has a manpower of more than 2.55 lakhs. Now it is inviting application from young, energetic and dynamic person for recruitment through online application mode through the GATE 2021 score. So beta, basically you can apply this if you have appeared for GATE 2021, and your GATE 2021 score will be an eligibility criteria for CIL. Now the total vacancies in mining are 253, in electrical a great number of vacancies 117, mechanical 134, civil 57, industrial is 15. So my friends, you have to focus on this number. This is a large number of vacancies released by CIL in electrical engineering. Now at least we can be assured of one thing, that our GATE 2021 students have a great opportunity to get selected in one of the best PSUs. Other than that, my dear, what is the date of application? The applications will start from 10th of August 10 AM. 10th of August 10 AM, that is today. So the applications will start today and they will end on 9th of September midnight. So you have almost 1 month to apply for this job. Now my friend, you have to apply on this website www.coalindia.in. You will find the detailed instructions there. Okay, and my friend, you should not wait till the last date and time, because if some technical issue happens, suppose the website is not working, then you might not be able to apply. That is what I am saying. If you are eligible, you should apply at the earliest. Okay, you should apply at the earliest, and you should follow the instructions given in the official advertisement on the website in order to apply. Now my friend, what is the eligibility criteria? You need to have a BE BTech in relevant branch. Okay, of 12 engineering with minimum 60% marks. So my friend, if you are from electrical, you have given instrumentation, or if you are from EC, you have given in some other discipline, that won't count. So as I told, that process that GATE has established, that you can give exam in multiple disciplines, that is only for higher studies. PSUs will always accept the GATE score in the same discipline that you have done your BTech in. Okay, so your degree and your GATE score should belong to the same branch. For electrical, you must have your GATE score in EE category. So the minimum qualifying marks for general, OBC and EWS category are 60%, and 5% relaxation is given for SC, ST and PWD candidates. That is, if they can have 55% marks in their engineering, then they can apply. But remember one thing, my friend, most of the students might also be in the final year. So for those students, usually what happens is they must have this aggregate up to their 7th semester and then they can apply. But now I think the 8th semester will also be over by the time the application ends. So if you can apply for the entire engineering, that is good. But if you have the scores up to 7th semester, that you can use. Okay. Now, for eligible relevant branches, for electrical, you might have EE, you might have EEE, you might have electronics engineering. Okay. So all these branches are eligible. What are not eligible? Instrumentation, power system, power electronics, power engineering, or any combination of electrical with these branches, that is electrical and instrumentation, is not eligible. For mechanical, what is eligible is only mechanical, not production, industrial, automation, manufacturing, none of these branches. For civil, only civil is eligible, not civil with architecture or structure or any combination of civil. For industrial, production and industrial is not eligible, only industrial engineering is eligible. So remember, EE and EEE, these two branches are majorly eligible for electrical vacancies. Okay, the breakup of vacancies for electrical, 50 are in unreserved, 11 EWS, 17 SC, 8 ST and 31 in OBC. So that is the breakup of vacancies. For mechanical, 134, 54 are in general or unreserved, 13 in EWS, 20 in SC, 10 in ST and 37 in OBC. For civil, 28 in unreserved, 5 in EWS, 7 in SC, 4 in ST and 13 in OBC. So that is the total vacancies breakup for electrical, mechanical and civil. Now the application fees is rupees 1180 for general, OBC and EWS category. Okay, for SC, ST, PWD, employees of CIL and its subsidiary are exempted from the payment of application fees. That is, they do not have to pay a single rupee for applying for this Coal India Limited job. Okay, and you have to make the payment through the online mode. That is, you can't generate a demand draft check or any such mode of payment. You will be paying either by debit card, credit card or net banking. The upper age limit is 30 years on 4th of August 2021. And category wise relaxation is given. In OBC it is 3 years, in SC, ST it is 5 years. Okay. Now reservation and relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, PWD, 40% of will be provided as per guidelines of Government of India. That is written by every PSU. Whatever Government of India follows, the same kind of relaxation and reservation will be followed by the PSU. Okay. Now, the name caste community must appear in the central list of OBC. If you are applying in OBC category, your caste should be included in the OBC category or in the list released by the government. You should not belong to the creamy layer and you need to carry the latest OBC certificate. Okay, in the latest format, whatever is the latest format, you must have your OBC certificate in that format. Now my friend, for getting the benefits of reservation under EWS, so should not be covered under the scheme of SC, ST, OBC. That is, you can't apply for more than one category. You are an EWS if you don't come under this. And your gross income per annum should be less than 8 lakh rupees. Income should include income from all sources, salary, agriculture, business. Okay. Now, if your family possesses any of these assets, you will not be recognized as EWS. 5 acres of land, residential flat of 1000 square feet or above, plot of 100 square yards or residential plot of 200 square yards and above. So if you have any property to your name, then you will not be considered in the EWS category. Okay. Now, once your selection happens, you will be having a base pay in the range 50,000 to 1,60,000. Your initial basic pay will be 50,000 per month. What does this range imply? It implies that when you will be getting the increment, when you will be getting the increment, then your salary would grow in this range. Okay, so appraisal comes every 6 months or every year. That appraisal will always keep your salary in this bracket. That is the meaning of this range. But remember, this is the basic pay. All the other amenities, all the other benefits are added over and above it. Once you complete the training period of 1 year and pass the test conducted for the purpose, you will be recruited in the E3 grade of 60,000 to 1,80,000 at initial basic pay of 60,000 with probation of 1 year. Okay, that is in the 1 year training period. You will be getting a base pay in this range. Okay, and on successful completion of 1 year of training period, your base pay will also increase, but you also have to pass a test conducted at the end of 1 year training period, and you will be on a probation of 1 year. Okay, beside basic pay, what you will get? DA, HRA, allowances under cafeteria approach and other allowances including performance related pay. And remember my friend, you can be posted to any post or any location under Coal India Limited that you cannot choose. That is totally up to them. Okay, now you need to serve the company for minimum of 60 months, that is 5 years from the date of joining, and you will be required to execute a bond of rupees 3 lakhs. So it is a 3 lakh rupees bond, and under this bond you have to serve the company for 5 years after joining. So you need to visit the website guys, www.coalindia.in, and under career you will go with CIL, then jobs at Coal India, current job notification. You will find the entire detailed advertisement which you can follow in order to apply for this job. So make sure guys that you visit this website, make sure that you read the job notification in detail, and then only you apply. So that's all from my side. That's a great news for all the GATE 2021 students. Make sure that you apply for this job. And those who are preparing for GATE can visit this link. This is where you will find all my special classes that I have taken so far, or I'll be taking in the future. Whatever I'll be taking in the future, they are present in the upcoming section. Okay, in upcoming you will find it. Other than that, beta, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus, where you get all the top educators teaching live on a single platform, comprehensive as well as crash courses. You get daily assignment, weekly test series, question bank, and daily I come live to solve all your doubts. But if you want to fly higher, if you want to go ahead, go with Iconic, where you will get all these benefits along with a personal coach who will prepare a study planner for you. Teachers will guide you in the study booster session. You will get test analysis done separately for you. You will get extra study material, and you will also have a dedicated team to solve all your queries. So you can apply the code Ankit ESE, and you can come under my personal guidance. Okay. Now my friend, if you join Unacademy Plus right now, you can get to learn electrical machines from me. Daily we are running this course for 4 hours, 7 AM to 9 AM, then 10 AM to 12 noon. And every day at 2 PM I am conducting a special class for practice of machines problem. 5 PM I am solving the doubts of the students. So if you want to work hard with me, if you can work at my level, definitely you can get a great rank in the GATE examination. So come over to Unacademy immediately so that you can enjoy all these benefits. Other than that, beta, on 15th of August, we will be conducting a scholarship test by the name Unacademy Combat, which is 1 hour in duration. You can appear for this test, and if you do well, you can get 100% scholarship. This is my Unacademy profile. Follow me. You can send me messages. This is my Telegram channel where we conduct daily quizzes. So join this channel and enjoy the daily quizzes complete live on a pan-India basis. So thank you everybody. If you like the video, please like it and share it. And if you still not have subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever any new video comes up. So see you soon everybody. Till then, keep rocking. Let's crack it.